Oxfam's Grow campaign is targeting 4 things. We want to see support for small farmers in developing countries. We want to stop the land being taken away from those farmers by foreign corporations and foreign governments. We need to see an end to a situation where food prices increase dramatically over a short space of time. And we need to sort out climate change that is plunging more and more people into poverty and hunger. So Oxfam Cymru has been holding picnics in Cardiff and in Aberystwyth today, and we'll be carrying this campaign on through the year and joining with colleagues from around the world who'll be campaigning to make sure that everyone has enough to eat always.